Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a mining and investment website. So if you also want to make your own mining, cloud mining or investment website, then you are on the right video. Viewers, if you want to purchase this script or complete website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video. You can contact us and we will build this amazing website for you. This is completely new in market and it has a very amazing design and it's completely new in market. In this video, I'm gonna give you the complete overview of this website. First of all, you can look at its this page, a login page. Here you can see it is hosted on my subdomain demo3.skillsmasher.com. And now viewers, before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Here is the sign up page. Viewers, here by filling these simple details, user can create account. Here user can enter its username, user can enter its email, phone number, password, confirm password and referral code as well in order to create account. If user don't have a referral code, user can just, it's fine, it's an optional thing. User can create account with all these details. After creating account, here user can enter its details in order to log in. Now I already have an account, so now let's go and let's log into our account. So here I'll enter my username, here I'll enter my password, and when I click on sign in, it will log me into my user panel of this website. So now I'll click on sign in. So you can see that I have successfully logged into my user panel. You can see how amazing its look is. It's completely new in market and it is made in React.js, and it is a very amazing site. Its look is very amazing. And here first of all you can see all your details, your username, your referral code. You can see your total profits. Here our account is newly created, so you can see all those things like total deposits. When you will deposit money, it will show you all your deposits, all your withdrawal. It will show you your total profit. Here you can read about the site. Here's a recharge option. You can do recharge on the website, like if you want to recharge $350 or $200, so you can enter this amount. Here select the gateway. I'll select USDT, click on next step. Here you can see there is an address over here. User can copy it and pay on this address. After payment, enter your pay ID or whatever it is. Click on deposit now, and you can see that it is on the hold, like it's pending. Now when admin will approve this order, the amount will be added to our account. So this is how user can recharge money on the website. Here is a cash out. User can withdraw its money, same like the recharge. User can withdraw its money, like I want to withdraw, enter your withdraw pin and you can withdraw money using these gateways. Here is a record option, so you can see all your profit records. Here you can see all your recharge record. Here you can see all your cash out records, so you can see all those things over here. Here's a team section, so you can see all your team commission. You can see team size. Anyone who will join through your refer code, the people will come here, appeared over here. So here you can see all your commissions. Currently it's no commission is here. Here you can see all your running investments, the packages you have subscribed to. Here you can see there is the app option, so user can download your app. So if you buy from us, we will give you the app as well. So user can download, click on install now, and user can install your app and also work on the app. Here is a same deposit option. Here is the mining option, so here user can collect its profit daily. So you can see here are the packages. So let me show you packages. This is robot 1, robot 2, robot 3, and you can change the name and images as well from the admin panel. Here you can see the package 1 price is $50, its validity is 10-day, daily profit is $5. So here you can click on buy now and you can easily buy now this package. So currently we don't have balance in our account, so we cannot buy it. And here after buying package, here it will show you the package and you can daily collect your money from here. So this is how you can collect your money. And you can subscribe to any package, or you can subscribe to multiple packages at a time as well. Here you can set up your withdraw wallet, and you can set your withdraw password, account password, etc. You can set all those things up from here. Here you can change your profile. You can set up your profile setting from here. You can do all those things from this section. So this was the amazing user panel of this website, and here you can see the notifications as well. So admin can show users notification. Viewers, and now this was the user panel of this website. Now let's go to the admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how you can completely manage this website from the admin panel. So in order to go to admin panel, first of all, I'll just copy the link over here, and here you have to type slash admin after the link. Sorry, so here you have to type slash admin, and here it will open the admin login page. Now so this is the admin panel page, you can see it over here. Now here I have to enter my username and password in order to log into the admin panel. So here I'll enter my admin username, here I will enter my admin password, and when I click on log in, it will log me to the admin panel of this website. So viewers, you can see that I have successfully logged into the admin panel of this amazing website. First of all, you can see all total users over here. You can see plan users have subscribed to. Website is completely newly created, so you can see total deposits are zero, pending deposits. These are the two deposit requests that we have sent it from our own account, rejected deposit, total withdrawals. Everything is completely new, and you can see all those things over here. Here you can see the notifications. You can see deposit request from web, that's our own account. You can see all those deposit requests. Here from notice board, you can change the notice board text. You can enter your own text. Here's app download settings, so you can upload your own app from here. So it's very simple. Here's a referral commission setting, so you can set up multiple levels of commission on plan purchase and mining bonus as well. So you can set any number of commission you want, any number of levels you want from here. So it's very simple and easy to manage the referral commission. You can enable them, disable them at any time you want. So here is the subscription plans. Currently there are three plans. There are some other three plans. Now if you want to insert a new plan on the website or disable the existing plan, you can do that from here. You can disable them, edit them, and if you want to add a new plan, enter the plan name, enter the plan image, enter the price of plan, enter daily profit, validity, referral commission added or not, and you can easily create a new plan on this website. So this is how simple to add a new plan to this website. So it's completely easily manageable from your mobile as well. You don't need to buy external laptop computer, you don't need to sit 24/7 hours on your laptop. You can easily manage this website from your mobile phone. Here are all the users, so here you can click on all users to see all the users. Currently there is only one user, that is our own account. Here you can go to details, you can add balance to your user account. From here you can add balance to user account, you can subtract balance from user account, you can change their notice board text, you can change their password, you can completely manage the details of users, you can verify their KYCs, whatever you want to do, you can do that thing from here. Here you can see all plan active user, banned user, and you can see with balance users. Here are the payment gateway section, so you can create any number of payment gateway you want. So you can create your own country gateway or crypto gateway, it completely depends on you. Here you can see currently there are three gateways. You can disable them and just click on add new and enter the gateway name, enter your currency rate in USDT, and you can easily create a gateway on this website. So it's very simple to create a gateway over here. Here is deposit, so here you can see all deposit requests of different users. So go to pending deposits, so you can see currently these are our own deposit requests. Go to details, and here you can approve the deposit request. You can see the transaction ID and you can click on approve it, and the amount will be added to that user account. So deposit has approved successfully, so there's one more left. Let's approve this as well. And similarly, this is how you can approve the deposits. So this one is also approved. Now let's go, and here you can see all approved deposits, successful, and all deposits. Here is a withdrawal section, so you can create the withdrawal methods as well. Same like deposits, you can disable them. Withdraw method is listing. Here you can click on add new, and by filling the simple details you can easily add a new withdrawal method to your website. So it's a very easy to manage, and you can see all pending withdrawal requests and you can approve them, reject them from here. Here you can view the complete transaction log, referral commission report of your website. Here's general setting options. You can change the name of website. You can change the currency of website from here. And basically you can use this website in your local currency as well, like INR, PKR, or in any of the currency you want to use, you can use it. Here is a logo option, so you can change the logo and favicon as well. So everything is changeable, everything is editable from here. So in this video I completely guided you about each and everything related to this website. Now if you want to purchase this website, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you everything you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.